Hello everyone, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. In this video we're looking at the new Hyperlink design library with 14 animations. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and also check out the link in the description to see how I make money online. So I'll just quickly make a link and I'll show you all the different options that we can have. So link, Google. Yep. So now, when you link, Thrive Architect has actually made a new, like a settings control box now. So with the color, we'll start with the color. So with the color, you can have inherent, which is basically the same color as the rest of the text, or you can have specific. And this one's actually linked to the main accent of the page. You can change the different accents there, or if you unlock it, you can play around with the color and choose the color yourself. So yeah, let's just go with the blue. Then you click apply. There you go. You can also click the drop down box here when you're on the link and save that as a new style. So we just save that as blue. That's it. So you'll always have that there. You can have the default, or you can have blue. You know, you can save as many as you want. And also, they've also got little effects that you could use on the links as well, like little animations. So at the moment it's on none, but if you click the pencil to open up the list, we've got quite a few here. So you've got, first one is thin underline, which is just a normal underline. Thick underline, wiggle, which is quite cool. Gradient fade, animated fill, gradient fill, that's all right. Dotted fill. Okay, that looks like the same as the other one, but anyway. Instant fill. So I mean, it's cool. They get your attention, definitely. Left and right. Yeah, that's right. Right to left. Fade underline. Expand underline. That's quite cool. And gradient fill, left gradient fill. So yeah, you've got some cool animations for your link buttons. The wiggle one is quite a funny one actually. But yeah, you know, I mean, they'll definitely get someone's attention when they're reading through text. And they'll probably, you know, that will entice them to click, to be fair. So yeah, I mean, you can play around with that, and that's it really. That's it's just a cool little feature that I've pulled out there a little while ago. I thought I'd let you know. Alright, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and also check out that link in the description to see how I make money online. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.